What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be a review, actually the 1-year review of the VAVA DASHCAM that I installed last year, front and rear dash cam. So stay tuned. Alright, so basically what I'm going to review about is how this camera has worked for the past almost exactly a year since I posted the installation on my Toyota Camry. Basically it's done its job. I'm going to end up showing you guys a bunch of footage during morning drive to work, the front camera, the rear camera, how it looks, you know. Sounds great. Also going to show you night driving when I come back from work. It's around 8 p.m. more or less, so the sun's already set, it's almost dark. So front and rear also. My front windshield is 35% tint and my rears are 5%, so you'll see a difference between the tint color. And I'm also going to put extra footage there of close calls I've had with, you know, having the camera on, and it's captured those moments and saved them on the file. I'm also going to show you guys how the app works and on saving the video, viewing the video, and how the camera works and all that. So basically, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But I installed my VAVA DASHCAM onto my Toyota Camry, and it's installed here. It's hardwired running through the headliner down here into the fuse box, and then I have another wire going from there all around into the back to the rear cam. It does take a memory card, so I believe it's a 128 gigabytes I put in, and I had to replace the memory card once, but it saved everything I had in there, so it's pretty good. Other than that, yeah, it's been awesome. It's been put, hasn't fallen. It stays on all the time, and then it's in the heat. Even though the car sometimes in the garage at work, and I have 35% tint on the front windshield, so it doesn't really bother it. But it's warm to the touch, always. It's always like that, but it cools internally, and I really have no complaints whatsoever of the dash cam. So right now I'm going to show you clips of my morning drive to work. I'm going to show you the front and rear dash cam. Now, I'm going to show you footage from coming back from work at night at 8 p.m.-ish, so it's already a little dark. I'm going to show you footage from the front and rear dash cam. Now this is bonus footage. It's gonna be close calls, incidents where the camera triggered and saved files into a special file, and it shows you all these footages, so enjoy. Now I'm gonna run through the app real quick. I'm gonna show you all the key steps, how it looks and whatnot. I can't voice over it, but more or less I'm gonna show you how everything is set up, how it connects and all that. And that's pretty much it. So I've had the camera for 1 year and I absolutely love it. I'm glad I did it. It was a very good investment. I'm gonna end up putting on my work van also, because it's a very good safety feature to have, just in case you do get in an accident. You have coverage as long as you're a good driver and you follow the rules. You know, it shouldn't backfire. But that's the only bad thing. If you do get in an accident and it was your fault, it could backfire on you and all that stuff. I'm sure also insurance wise, if you mention that you have a dash cam, they have a lower insurance rate. I don't have it, just in case of liability wise. But the camera is Bluetooth, so it stays recording because it's hardwired and it saves into a memory and it does like a low loop, but basically it connects to the phone via Bluetooth, so it's pretty handy. Where I'm gonna go, you know, something happens, I look at the time, make sure I remember the time. If it doesn't save, you know, I look it up through the loop. It's pretty much very durable. I really like how the stand, I'm really impressed how the stand is attached to the plastic there, and it's firm, it's not going nowhere whatsoever. And that's what I really like. Customer service for the VAVA dash cam is also super great. They've helped me with any technical issues I've had. The very little minor ones I did had regarding the memory card. That was the actual dash cam, it was just a memory card. And the rear camera, you know, it's working awesome. It sticks 3M into the glass, and then it tilts forward, and the cable goes, I have it the same way, going through the headliner, so the cable is not visible. And yeah, I can't say anything else about this camera. It's awesome. I 100% recommend it. It's 1 year in and no issues whatsoever, so definitely recommend this dash cam to somebody else. Yeah, pretty much that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching the channel, and give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, help us grow. Follow our IG and Instagram for every other projects that I do not post here on YouTube. And yeah, thank you guys. On to the next one.